गोयच्या लोकांचो जुवारी agro केमिकलाक दिल्लो 1000 एकर जागो सरकारान चण्या कोत्यार खासगी भांडवलदारांक विकून उडयलो काय कितें असो दुबाव गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचो मुखेली विजय सरदेसायन विचारला. आदलो उद्देग मंत्री आनी आतांचो नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन जुवारी agro केमिकलाक बंद करता जाल्यार तांकां दिल्लो जागो परत घेवपाची मागणी आदी केल्ली. आता विश्वजीत हो जागो परत घेतलो काय असो प्रश्न विजय सरदेसायन विचारला. भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकराचे उद्देगीक गोयचे सपन पुसून उडोवपाचे काम चल्ला काय कितें असो प्रश्नय विजय विचारता.
On 1st June, that is 4 days ago, the Zuari Agrochemicals announced the sale of its fertilizer plant at Sakwal and associated businesses to Paradip Phosphates Limited, which is an unlisted JV company, for $280 million, which is equivalent to 2,135 crores. Now, on October 19th of 2019, when I was not a minister, then Industries Minister and today's Town and Country Planning Minister, Vishwajit Rani, had commented to reports on Zuari Agrochemicals shutting down operations that the government should come out with an ordinance and take back the 1,000 acres which was given to Zuari Agrochemicals during the time of Goa's first Chief Minister, Bhausaheb Banodkar. This land was given to them for an industrial purpose. And suppose that they are closing down operation, that is Zamin Porti Gyevchi. अशें विश्वजितागे 19 ऑक्टोबर 2019 ओपिनियन आशिल्लें. आज विश्वजित आसा टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर. This Zuari Agrochemical lands come. Now I want Vishwajit to go back to memory lane and also to investigate whether the land gifted to Zuari has now been, its zone has now been changed from industrial to settlement. Question is whether a public interest venture of the Gaonkars in 1968 has now been converted into a private interest venture by equity transaction. This is the question. And is Bhausaheb Banodkar's vision of an industrial in Goa being erased during the tenure of the present government?